the Backstreets in Athens. You get a lot of minorities here that are not native Athenians. This is the areas they do business in. I just walk past that one down there. I don't think I want to go through that crowd with this camera, but I'll just show it to you from a distance. So this guy's selling stuff down here. You see how close to them you can get. They're attracting too much attention. It's a very vibrant market. I think I'm just going to walk through. I wonder what that is. But I'm just going to walk through. This is like a back street market. Guess you can find a lot of ethnic stuff, and they have all those cuts inside. There's a whole area around ammonia in the back. The whole long street. I see mostly minorities there, like Muslims and foreigners in general. Sure, most of this is like imitation. I'll just go in here. It's almost 8 o'clock. I think I'll be heading in after filming this area. This is in the back. They close kind of early around here. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. People close around here. It's the Mandru area, Mandru Street area in Athens. They're all now packing up. a different kind of bus. Well, I'm going to walk towards the metro station now. They say this is a tough neighborhood. I've seen tougher than this. I guess because there are a lot of immigrants here too. People are always afraid of those they don't know. Well, I am back to the ammonia area, to the fountain. Just wanted to show you the Backstreets of Athens, where most tourists don't get to see, or where tourists don't go at all. That's a homeless guy. There are quite a few that I've seen. I look forward to the day when there will be no more homelessness. When people will be able to build their own houses and live in it. I'm confident that day will come. And here I am back at the ammonia Okay, it's always good to wait for the light. And here I conclude this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe to the video, to the channel rather, and you can like the video. That's it, over and out.